Hi, today I'm going to create a look with a couple of my Mothership palettes. These two to be exact. These are the two Mothership palettes that I want to play with today. Yeah, so I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm feeling green and pink. So let's see what happens. So I've got my eyes primed. I'm going to start off with the Divine Rose 2, and I'm going to use a little bit of this peachy shade here in my crease. I'm starting with this peachy matte here with a fluffy brush, a Refer 15. I like mine really pigmented, but I'm gonna blend out the edges. So I feel like I'm probably not gonna use any other shades from this palette here. I still have a squeaky chair, so I apologize about that. This brown shade here is a little bit too red based for the vibe that I want. So I'm gonna take this brown shade here in the Sublime palette. I'm gonna take another fluffy brush and where'd it go? Gotta make sure to get the right shade. I'm gonna use this brown to just kind of deepen up a little bit of that outer part. I don't wanna pick up too much, but I do wanna load up my brush. I am filming in natural light, so I apologize for the glare. All right, there's that. I don't really like the way this brush is working. This is my Wayne Goss brush, my one and only. This is the 16. Don't really like the way that's working. Going back in now with some of the peach, just to cover up that darkness, because I don't want to lose the peach shade. I just wanted to add some depth in the outer corner. There we go. I'm going to try using my E04 from Singe Beauty to try to blend out these edges. God, that was a clean brush. Try to blend out these edges because she said that's what this brush is really good for, because it's got like a really precise edge. So it'll blend it out without making the color get too out of control as far as how far up it goes. So... ooh, I agree with that statement. Look at that. That looks really nicely blended. Let's try that again. Wow. Okay. I thought this was a packer brush. I thought she had this E04 for shimmers, but no, it's for precise blending. And look at that. I really, really like the way that worked. I love the way that E04 worked on the edges. Now I'm just gonna blend the actual lid a little bit. Okay, we're off to a promising start. Here's where we're at so far. I feel like it's more intuitive to use one of these kind of pinky golden shades, but I'm done with this palette for now, like in this look. I want to move on to this palette now, and I am going to do green all over the lid. For my glitter glue on the majority of my eyelid, this is my favorite brush to use for my NYX glitter primer. This is my absolute favorite brush for the majority of my lid. Angie Hot and Flashy, the lid shader brush. And then my absolute favorite brush for the inside part of the lid with my NYX glitter glue is this Morphe like detailed precision concealer brush or whatever it is. It's from the new V series that's at Ulta, and the letter is black on black, so it's really hard to make out what it says, but it's basically like a more skinny version of the Angie Hot and Flashy one. So these are the two brushes that I like to use for my glitter primer. I'm going to put the green on the majority of the lid, and I'm going to leave the inside part empty, and I'll do a different color there. Might have gone a little too far over, but that's fine. I'll just go back over it with the matte at the end if I need to. Now I'm going to take this green shade on a M124 by Morphe. Sprayed my brush. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Yeah, that's what I want on the lid. Did go a little too far over that direction, but that's it right there. Let's do the other eye before it dries. Yeah, it already dried, see? Ooh. Whoa, that green. Oops, I just got fallout. See, this one I went on while the glue was too wet. I think I need to let it just sit a little bit longer so it looks less foiled like that. Or maybe it's just the direction of the light and they both look the same. And I don't know what I'm talking about. That very well could be it. Wow. That's a beautiful green. Whoa. Okay, so for the front part, I'm going to use this Blitz shade here that I don't remember. It looks like I have touched it, but I don't remember what it looks like on the eye. So that's the one I'm going to use. Now I'm going to go in with my little detailed brush from the Morphe V series. I'm going to use that to put my primer here on the inside part. Just to make sure I don't get any fallout. And you know what? Just having that glue there makes me nervous. Okay, let's just see what it does. Yeah, I can feel glue already, like it's the shape of my eyelid. I can't put glue that far down, so I'm not going to. Ooh, I forgot how bright and pretty that one is. Okay. I don't know if I like the combination of those. What do you think? I feel like it looks a little gross together. Is it just me? Let me try to just blend it a little more. Yeah, I don't feel like those two colors go very well together like that. Ooh. Maybe I just need to bring it out more. Yeah. That's it. I do like it right there. Let me try to see if I can get the other eye to match, and then we'll move on to finishing up the outer corner and the lower lash line. I'm not going to forward it though. Oh, Jesus. I am going to let you watch because I want you to see whether or not I struggle. Here we go. But this time I know that I want to go over further. So I'm just going to start off like that with some fresh glue. Like that. All right, here's the money shot again. Oh my God. Yeah, see, something about this eye, everything just goes on it better looking in my opinion. Including my wings, everything. Like, I always struggle on this other eye, which really makes no sense to me. Okay. Let me see if I can finish out this look. Now I'm going to use this black shade. Thank goodness for this black shade, because with this green and as dark as it is on the outer edge, like you really need, I feel like I really need a black shade to just like, ooh, yeah. Did you see that? To just like ground that shimmer. Because that brown crease that I originally started off with just wasn't going to be enough for the back end of that shadow. There it is. Ooh, there's the eye. Loving how that came together. Let's see if I can make this outer corner match over here. I need a fluffier brush than that. Gotta mess this one up because I fucked one up. Gotta mess them both up even though this one was perfect. Okay. All right. For the lower lash line, in the front of the lower lash line, I'm going to take this same peachy matte on a small detailed pencil. For the back, I'm going to take this brown from the Sublime. Okay. Here's the finished eye look. Let me know what you think. I'm going to add some eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be right back to show you the completed look and finish out the video. All right. Completed the look with these, my Willow eyeliner from Natasha Denona, and my miniature Bad Gal Bang. Here's the finished eye look with both of these motherships. Let me know what you think. So yeah, that's the finished look. Let me know what you think. I look forward to reading your comments down below in the chat section. And yeah, that's all I've got for you today. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to click the like button It really does help my little channel out so much. I'm trying to grow my small channel and your support means so much to me. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you did enjoy hanging out with me. And yeah, make sure you're subscribed and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.